In the world of high-speed technology, first-person view or FPV drones are revolutionizing the way we explore our surroundings. These agile devices can zip, zoom, and twist through the air, offering a bird's-eye view that was once only possible in our wildest dreams. The thrill of piloting a drone that can perform barrel rolls in the sky, dart through narrow gaps, and even race at breakneck speeds, to the exhilarating world of FPV drones. Understanding the controls is essential from the start. Consider the remote control as an extension of your hands. The left stick adjusts the throttle when moved up and down, controlling the drone's altitude. Moving this stick left and right manipulates the yaw, changing the drone's turning direction. The right stick is for pitch and roll. Pushing this stick forward and backward tilts the drone in those respective directions. Move it to the left or right enables the drone to roll or move sideways. Now, to get your drone off the ground, gently increase the throttle until the drone lifts off. Remember, smooth and steady movements are key. Abrupt changes can cause the drone to behave unpredictably. Once you're comfortable with basic movements, it's time to practice some maneuvers. Start by trying a simple hover. Keep the drone at a low altitude and try to maintain its position. This exercise will help you familiarize yourself with the controls. Next, practice moving in different directions. Start with forward and backward, then try right. Once you're comfortable with these movements, practice combining them. Try moving forward and to the right simultaneously. Now, let's take it up a notch. Try doing a barrel roll. Perform this trick by pushing the right stick to the left or right while increasing the throttle. Remember, timing and control are key. To summarize, mastering the FPV drone involves understanding the functions of the remote control, practicing basic movements, and gradually attempting more complex maneuvers. It's about patience, practice, and control. Each drone is unique, and it may take time to get used to how your drone responds to the controls. Don't be disheartened if it's not perfect the first time. With time and practice, you'll be maneuvering your drone like a pro. Unleash the thrill of flight with FPV drones. Embrace this technology and let it take you to new heights. The sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning.